And to the anti-mafia campaign in Chongqing now, where trials are continuing for 22 suspected gun leaders. A female mafia boss is among those charged in the southwestern Chinese municipality. Former tax official Xie Kaiping faces 5 charges, including leading a gun and operating illegal casinos. As Yuan Xiaoyuan finds out, she was able to elude police for years thanks to family connection in the public security department.
The 46-year-old gun boss has a hefty rap sheet. Her 70-page indictment includes her alleged involvement in numerous crimes and a complex social network. Xie Caiping was supposed to face court 9 years ago after police smashed her illegal gambling ring. But she fled with large sums cash. Eventually, she managed to restart her casino business. Xie was arrested by police 5 years later. She had acquired more than 30 million yuan from her expanding gambling empire. After spending just 5 months in custody, she returned to the underworld as a gang leader. This is the man responsible for her safety. He's Xie's brother-in-law and Chongqing's former deputy head of Public Security Bureau, Wen Qiang. Wen abused his power to cover up Xie's illegal gambling business and gang activities. He ordered police to keep their distance from Xie. Wen's wife also became Xie's business partner. Xie set up 80 gambling dens in Chongqing under Wen's protection. She accumulated more than 100,000 yuan with her gang, formed by mobsters and ex-convicts. The gang faces charges of coercing people to gamble and take drugs. Police swooped down the gang when Chongqing launched its largest ever anti-mafia task force 4 months ago. Now she and her followers face the last roll of the dice as they stand trial. Yuan Xiaoyuan, CCTV.